Hi guys. Last week I forgot you, and I did not forget you this week. Just have to put up with me looking this way. Um, but I do have a freebie for you, and the link is in the description. And so it is in the free resource library, so you do have to sign up for that, but it is free. And so this is a filing task, and it is a beginning filing task. So one of the ways that I get students started on filing is I use recipe boxes, and if they're not at the point where they can do alphabet filing, I start with colors because filing is different than sorting. A lot of times, sorting and matching, we're putting things on top of things, and so when we're filing, we have to put them behind the dividers. So these are a set of colored dividers. There's actually the dividers that you can cut out of cardstock, and they will fit in a 3x5 recipe box. Or if you have commercial recipe dividers, you can also use the page that just has the tabs and just tape them over the tabs themselves. And I think there's 9 colors. I don't think I did black and white because I thought it was too confusing. Um, and so you can use construction paper. These happen to be my language builder cards. You could use construction paper. You could use colored index cards. You could use a card with a colored picture on it. You could use a lot of different things. But they have to put them in behind the different cards. So you're going to give them the cards separately. And they have to find the orange tab. So they have to find, let's see, find the orange tab and put them behind. And so I moved from solid color cards onto picture cards that just have a picture on them. Then I can move to letter cards with larger letters, and I'll do one on that in the future. But these actually require, you might be able to find color tab ones commercially. I just couldn't find any ones. So I thought I'd make you some. So that is today's Quick Tip Tuesday. Enjoy. The link is in the description, and enjoy the rest of your day.